If you look Nigeria well, nothing they want tell me. Everybody where they government and they smoke Igbo. No, I even insult Igbo self. Because Igbo no really bad like that. They goof. Wait till that. Because if you hear government policy, you know if you tell me say somebody no do there where they sell them. Because hear news. ASU extend strike to another month. You as a Nigerian, you go to complain. They are keeping the children for 8 months. You call here another news. Naira crashes to the dollar. You see they complain about Forex. Things they cost. You call here another news. 15 kidnapped on Abuja highway. You go still complain. Insecurity. Then tomorrow morning, you come here breaking news for your mind. Government want to address all these problems. They don't delegate on how to solve it. Next way you go here. Federal government bank for more. Wetin concern Pomo with wetin we dey complain? Pomo, innocent Pomo. I say no be Igbo.